If you want to have iOS launcher on your Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then we can download the launcher from the Play Store. Let's open it, let's tap search, and let's enter iOS launcher. There we go. Now I'm gonna use this launcher over here as an example. Let's install it, and let's wait for the launcher to be installed. Alright, once it is done, press open. And first we will need to set it up. So the location is not really needed, we don't have to allow. Access to contacts, of course those are to have access in the launcher, so we can allow these things. And now what we can do is choose to make default launcher. So let's choose this option. Of course you might see an ad. The launcher is free, but of course this means that we have ads. So let's skip the video. Let's tap OK, and let's switch the home app to this one. We have the information about the blur effect that's starting from Android 13. Third-party apps cannot get the wallpaper to make blur effect, so that's okay. Let's press got it, and there we go. We are now in the home screen, and this is our iOS launcher. This is how it looks like with this app. Of course, there are multiple different apps that you can use. You can try any of them. It's up to you which one you choose, really. This one, as an example, looks like this, and there are some more customization options that you had seen in the Launchers app. So we can go back from here. So you can go through these options in order to set it up properly as you wish it to be. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!